my worst slams ever. I'm going. Now he's going. Oh, no. Doug, you want me to do it? I should have said yes. My name's Aaron Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. And today, I'm gonna show you my worst slams ever. I don't know exactly how we're gonna do this because I'm not even sure what they are, but I'm gonna try and take you through it. A little trip down memory lane. Yes, sir, me and you, right here in my garage in this very quarantined world. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna pull up YouTube and I'm gonna type in Aaron Kyro falls, which is apparently a common search because apparently I fall a lot. Aaron gets hurt during his first persistence video. Oh wait, let's start with this one. Aaron's hardest slam at the Braille house, parentheses, hilarious. One of the most viewed videos on the Braille Army channel ever at 952,000 views. And if I'm extremely sweaty, yes, I am, because I am. I might crouch down like a crippled unicorn, is what I said. How do we find the slam? I was scrolling through and there's just a picture of Gabe's face like this, and I was like, yep, there it is. Okay, kickflip up, manual. It's all in black and white too, so scary. Frontside revert. I'm going. Stupid. Oh my gosh. Gabe says, are you okay? I just gotta see the land, just to see if how it looks. I kind of love the videos where it's just me. Leave it in the comments below if you love the videos where I'm alone. I mean, I love all the guys too, but wait. Didn't I land the trick there? Okay, here we go. Dude, super good. And switch 3 afterwards. Love it. Okay, so that slam, it actually wasn't too bad. I didn't get hurt. I still landed the trick. It's fine. That's definitely not my worst slam. Man, if you just type in Aaron falls, Aaron's hardest slam in the mini ramp. I guess I'm gonna go to that one next. It's been so long since we've made a video like this. We need to just make some videos like this. Apparently, anytime I fall, it goes into the video in black and white. So if you just scroll through and you see the black and white, there you have it. There's the slam. The world's weakest slam. What kind of clickbait garbage are we doing here? That was Aaron's hardest slam in the mini ramp. I didn't hit my ribs. I might have very gradually grazed that. Let's get to some actual injuries here. Okay, this one. No, this was supposed to be the first persistence ever. January 15th, 2017, before there was a mini ramp there. Braille, you make it, we skate it, Hall of Boards. And I was gonna do my very first episode of the new series, which we just came up with. We just started it. It's called La Persistance. This is where we were starting, but this somehow ended up being video 10, episode 10. I think because I actually hurt myself. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward and we're gonna get to the actual slam, and I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about it. Yeah, here we go. Takes forever. I'm trying nose grind nollie flip. Wow, that's a good nose grind. Nose grind. Slow-mo. Okay, so my very worst injuries ever, it's a sprained ankle. Oh man, I hope we can find this other one. That reminded me. So my foot, like this, whenever my foot lands like that and I roll my ankle that way, the absolute worst, the worst. It cannot get worse than that for me personally. But that for me is my worst slam. That probably put me out for 6 weeks. Even though it's not that bad of an ankle sprain, my ankles they're toast. Let's just call a spade. I've probably done that 6 to 8 times on both ankles. And when I tell you the other story that's coming a little bit later, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, this slam is really hard. I have no idea how I walked away from this one, but I did. You ready? I'm gonna show you what it is. Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is?
The dumpster slam?
Really long. Full send, give it a full wing dinger.
Hold on. Oh! That was my very worst slam, and I didn't even slam. I just saw the slam. It was so bad that seeing the slam became my worst slam. Okay, for real. Let's get to the actual slam. Where are you at here? Somehow, my TED Talk, Taking the Road Less Traveled, comes up. Aaron Kyro falls, and today I dropped in a vert ramp. Come on, dude, this is not, come on, what? Aaron Kyro is a snowboarder? It's not even our video. Oh man, the only thing I'm having a hard time, I'm not sure if I can find the one that I'm looking for. Okay, I found the video I made afterwards. It's called How to Heal a Sprained Ankle the Easiest Way tutorial. 6 years ago, so it was before that. Oh, I found it. The video's... The video is titled Aaron's World Episode 3, Broke Off. It's amazing to think back and look through all these videos. Oh, dude. I don't even know if I can watch this one. Probably shouldn't before I do anything else. Okay, I just did a nose manual nollie up to another nose manual, which is probably one of the hardest things I could even think to do. And then I'm rolling away and I do this. I don't think I can watch it. Here's what happened right there. So like I said earlier in the video, that is a really bad injury for me. So what happened is I landed like that, and this tendon here, which is attached to the bone on here, pulled so hard, because what happens is when you overstretch that, this will try and compensate and pull this to pull your foot back into place, that it broke my bone here. And then because this side pulled so hard, this side went, oh, we need to pull hard here too. So this side broke, and then this side broke. Literally broke the bones on both sides. Should I watch it? I just might need to watch it just to get it over with. Ah, it's just so bad. It's not bad though, you know what I mean? It's just the littlest thing and you think, it's fine. Nope. I think right after this I have this title screen.
You didn't break it, you were intact? No, it's fine.
1 week later. The phrase, you didn't break it. I love you, Andy Shaw. Oh no. You see that? I crutch in. Yeah. Oh! Even the music. I think here I'm explaining. It's just a fracture. So I fractured it right there. And then also on the top right here. So I fractured it both sides. One here and one there. Man, I was really digging this video until that happened. I was like, oh, it's so funny, just some falls, Man, terrible. I also want to say, as part of this video, skateboarding is not that dangerous. You have to learn it correctly and you have to learn it properly. You learn the very easiest tricks, then you get a little better, a little better, a little better, and you just gradually go up. You don't get on a skateboard and try and go down a hill or down a big ramp your first day. That's gonna be impossible, super hard, and that's why people go, skateboarding's the most dangerous thing ever. I think statistically people get hurt playing football more than they do skateboarding. I have no idea if that's a true statistic, but that's the one I have been told and heard, and that's what I'm gonna just stick with, okay? But it is safe if you wear proper safety gear. If you want to wear a helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, everything. If I skate a vert ramp, I'm wearing helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, wrist, any kind of pad that can help me, I'm wearing it. And you should too. Be safe, be healthy, and yeah, make sure you're taking really good care of yourself. We love you. Bad ankle break skateboarding, Braille skateboarding, 8 years ago. Okay. This title screen. Oh no. Oh! Did you see it? 22-second video, and that was the title screen and the outro included. If you guys are complaining about the videos, hey, haven't we improved just a little bit? Some people in the comments are gonna say, no, you haven't. You've gotten worse. You've only gotten worse. Oh man, guess who that was? Do you know who that was?
That was you?
That was me, yeah. I was trying to do front board backside flip out, and I landed primo like this. Boom, bad. Okay. The other one, the really bad one, I'm not sure if I can find it. Actually, I don't know if we made a video of it. It was at Lake Street. My first broken bone, Andrew Shock. Ooh, that's a good video. The one that I'm thinking of at Lake Street, usually you roll your ankle like this. This time, I literally rolled it this way, that way. And I was like, woo, child. This one is a good slam though. Some of you, just some of you might remember it. If you do, leave it in the comments below.
Tail slide? I don't know how to put my foot on to make
I don't know if I can watch this either.
No.
Doug, you want me to do it? I should have said yes. In terms of like sheer, I could have literally died. That I was falling and the glass was right there, and I could see this shard of glass coming towards my neck, and it was like slow-mo, and I was like, do. Barely missed it. Boosh. I had a big bruise on my hip, and that was it. Got away scotch-free. Okay, I'm gonna go up to the top here. Should we do just a whole nother slam compilation video? A sprained ankle won't stop Carlos. Insane skateboarding fails. Braille fails, episode 1. Worst fails in Braille history. Oh, terrible.
History.
Who lets him get away with this? This one. Oh, bodied! Maybe the title of this video, Aaron Gets Bodied. That wasn't bad. I barely even fell. Alright, call that a fall. This one? Stupid. This is the same one again?
Oh, no,
Oh, that was the land. Dude, that was good. I did that? Oh, these are the lands.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good too. Oh, this video is golden. Play this.
So thanks a lot for submitting your question. Jake says, is everything first try? Yeah, it is. First try? First try? First try. First try? First try. See how many first tries we can get into one video. What? First try!
It's literally 6 minutes and 19 seconds of me saying first try in every video you can think of.
Lance was like, yeah, I could drop in on that first try. I can do it first try. But it's just nerve-wracking.
I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. I had another fall that I'll tell you about. I don't have this one on video, but I was at a skate park and I was trying kickflip frontside 5-0, kickflip out, and I did a kickflip 5-0 and I slipped out, and my shin, I swear, just barely grazed the ledge, just barely. And I was like, okay, not a big deal. I keep skating, and about 5 minutes later, I look down, and my whole pant leg from here down is red bloody. And then I lift it up, and my shin is just straight split open, just nasty. And then I went home and I tried to get some of that like skin stuff, fake skin, and I put it together and put this fake skin on and held it for a while and then let it go, and it just went and then I had to go to the hospital and get stitches. That's a pretty nasty one too. You know what'd be really good? This same video with Mowgli. He has this one where he's trying to do something down a 10 stair. When he falls, he credit cards the board and breaks it. Breaks it on the credit card.
Oh wait, have you've seen that one that's been going around recently, right?
No.
The lady that threw the plant at the guy?
No.
Have you not seen that?
No. Okay, well I cannot find this clip, but I'm just gonna explain it to you anyways because it was so bad. So like I was saying, my injury of choice is the sprained ankle. I'm trying 5-0, 360 flip out, and I don't even remember what happened if I landed. I might have like landed primo like that or something weird, and my foot rolls off, and I fold my ankle that way. I literally sprained it this way, which is just like the most like feeling ever. Terrible, 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 terrible. I don't even want to think about it. Wait, what?
She's throwing pot plants at him.
Did she already throw one? No!
Nailed him.
Oh, and he still landed it?
Yeah, he still kept trying.
He kept going. Oh, wait. Oh, is this the land?
Yeah.
I would never keep going after that. I would quit all of life. For real, he kept going and he landed it. That's why skateboarders are the most incredible people on the planet, period. They go through anything, and you should too. Okay, before I do any more skating, I gotta like fully get all of the I cannot watch a bunch of people fall. Otherwise then all I'm gonna do is fall and it's gonna be terrible. Because I sort of if I watch a skater skate for a really long time or a lot of it, I feel like my style starts to kind of emulate what I'm watching. You know what I mean? I don't know if that happens to you. So if I watch a bunch of falls, I just slam. And it's all I think about is slamming. And then if you're in that mindset, it gets really hard to get out of that mindset. So I recommend do not just watch a bunch of slams. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make, and I hope that it took maybe some of you down a trip down memory lane, or maybe some of you never even seen any of these at all, but it certainly took me down a trip down memory lane. So thank you for that. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of the Braille Army. You guys are absolutely incredible. Check out all those videos right there. There's a playlist over there, and there's some videos that you will enjoy. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and yes, it's your time to learn how to ride a skateboard. Have fun doing it. Get on a skateboard now.